What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a oil change on the Challenger. Because we have nothing else to do, we are going on a... Let me get the smudges. We are going on a little trip to Denver to hang out with Dave and Mark. They also got some Challengers and we're going to be doing some custom lighting and stuff like that with those. We do have some other content coming up. We got some parts on the way, some headlights for the shit box. I know it's been about a month since we've uploaded a video. Content's a little bit slow. Money's a little tight. It is what it is. So we're going to continue to make at least probably 2 videos a month, or we're going to try. Other than that, you might see 1 a month for these winter months until the tracks open back up and we can go do stuff. So once again, Car Sponsors has been with us 100% of the way. They are sponsoring some stuff for the shit box here coming up, like they said, the headlights. Those should be on the way. They said they were ordered, just waiting for them to come in the mail. But today we're just going to be doing a good old normal oil change in here. Some Fram Ultra Synthetic Mobil 1 520. It's pretty much all I use on this thing. Most of the time I use a Mobil 1 filter, if it's available, which today I didn't see one there, so but alright, we're just going to do an oil change on this thing and get on the way. I don't even know what the hell I'm filming over here. So, get her jacked up. Probably the biggest pain in the ass part is getting that little 4-bolt cover off, loosening up the plug, then I'll drop it back down and just let her have it. Alright. That ground is so cold right now. Because you know it's wintertime in Colorado. Look at all the snow, guys. All of it. All the snow. I just want to be a little warmer on my back. It's nice enough to wear like shorts and t-shirt, can you tell? Tasha's out here with that. Oh, you're gonna do it? Yeah. Alright. Tasha's gonna do it. Can you share some blanket?
I didn't know you were gonna do
Oh well, I'm gonna show you what to do.
You take stuff off.
Yeah, I know, but you notice there's a giant plastic cover thing. Oh, okay. So there's 4 bolts, right? It literally tells you where to take them off. So you got 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. See them? Mm-hmm. So that's all the stuff you gotta take off. And then that's just the cover. You just slide it back and... Wow. So it's actually pretty clean underneath here, huh? Let's look for leaky stuff. And you just kind of look like up and everywhere and make sure there's no leakies. Oh, it does face backwards. Fantastic.
No.
Okay. That's awesome. Guess we're gonna be able to put it on jack stands after all. So the last time I changed one of these, it had a plastic oil pan, and you can come out, and then the drain plug like faced forward at like a weird angle to the side, towards like the passenger. It was a really big pain in the ass. So we're gonna throw this baby on some jack stands real quick, and then change the oil because it's gonna pour out the back, so we get most of the oil out. Hell yeah. Perfect. Just gonna leave that there. Heck yeah, man. Lift kit. Imagine it actually sat this high.
The only Challenger not gone.
No, that would be sick. If it actually sat this high, with the actual like wheel gap this tall, like that one off-road one we saw. It's probably a render, but it's on the internet. So, all right. So, the easiest way to loosen drain plugs Put your wrench on there, right, at a decent angle, and then like that. If you're standing up, you can almost do it all at the same time, like one big whack, just
Yeah. So it's not tight?
No, it's probably really fucking tight. Oh shit.
Yeah, I was gonna say
It's actually pretty loose.
you twisted that like it was nothing.
That's not good, I don't like that.
Well, good thing we're putting a new one on.
Usually, to take them off, you should have to use some pliers.
Yeah, they're like a little tool.
Well, I'm right here. I guess this is the easiest
Said
part.
little, you're big.
So now, the whole key here is to not hit the back of that, or any of this other shit. Where's the fucking camera?
Oh, I can find my butt.
Where'd that, like, it's looking right at your back.
Camera!
Oh, that's too close. Alright.
Is that oil gonna be hot? That's the question.
Oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Then why are we doing this right now? Why are we letting it cool down, you turd?
I used to work at Walmart. I used to do this on hot cars in a 95, 100-degree heat
Yeah, that's you. I'm sensitive.
with no gloves. Oh, get the wrench.
Oh, you're trying to burn my skin.
Burn your skin. Look.
Yeah, that oil's gonna
So-
be hot.
The best part about using this thing,
Just let the pressure take it. Oh, I thought we were taking that off. That's why. I
not
pushed-
yet. So we could let it drain like this, but what fun would it be if we didn't spill any? Look at that. Tell me that right in the hole, baby. Woo! Hell yeah. Oh God, oh God, oh God. This is probably what? 10,000 mile oil? It will not overflow.
It looks like it
It
will, but
looks like it
won't.
will, but it's okay, maybe it is. It's 7 quarts, and it's not flat because of the blanket. Okay. Suck it in! See, it's nice with this thing. Like, this is probably one of the better oil drain pans I've used. Just because, like, it actually holds, like, 5 quarts on top. And then it's long enough to catch the long and the short. See, and then by the time you can see the drain plug and actually grab it without getting nasty, then that's done. I mean, right now, I would plug it. Like, that's fine. And the reason I wanted to do it while it's hot is because then all the oil's thin and it comes down faster. Like, that, I guarantee you that was probably 7 quarts. What?
So you're gonna plug it.
Trump Nation. No, I'm not grabbing that fucking thing. Here, I got a rag so we don't have to grab it. What? Had fucking half a rag. Now, we spilled a little bit, I think.
A little bit. It's all over everywhere.
Where?
Look at the cover.
Yeah,
We
it's just a couple drops. And then you can just grab the plug and... I figured you'd grab it with your hand, but...
We said not to.
It's probably a little warm.
Make up your damn.
Well, you can grab it with your hand and just wipe everything off. Now, is there a little gasket on that? You can grab it, it ain't that hot.
It's warm.
Give it to me. Ow, that's a little warm.
Yeah. No
Okay,
shit.
so you want to make sure that this gasket... See the gasket?
How orange thing.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Good thing it's an action camera. Where's the paper towel at? So that gasket
in
right
oil.
there, y'all can see it. We'll make sure that's intact, good to go. There you go, wipe off the camera.
You're the one who made the move.
And then, so, see how we're straight down? You got 2 fingers, right? And I'll just go a little bit. Just fucking twist it. Like, do you just keep your eyes closed and fucking send her? Oh, there it goes. It's gonna be long-winded as fuck, guaranteed. And it's gonna dump out like probably a half quart of oil. I do not like doing this on the ground anymore. Is this really one of those 113? Oh shit! Yay, clean surface. I mean, if you can't turn it no more, you can't turn it no more. Yeah, you can't turn it anymore. Here, you can record for a second. See if you'll see how much turn I get on it. And this is. Okay.
You also have big hands like these 80. Look the difference.
It's
Oh,
not
you got
that.
tiny hands.
Yeah, it's not that much of a difference. We used to make fun of Shane because he's a little bitch hand.
Yeah.
I hope he watches this too.
Oh, strong arm.
Yeah, I got little girl hands. You fucking.
Is that why he's a manager and not a worker?
That's right. You can't tighten the filter down. Alright. Now we gotta start it and let it run for 45 minutes.
Really?
No, there's no oil in it. Why would I do that?
Well, I'm talking about after the fact. Boob. I know you gotta put oil in it.
Oh, yeah. $50
bet
Zia
so.
shirt covered in oil. Perfect.
Yeah. Luckily yours are only 35.
Alright. Go get your pitcher. Alright, so on the shaker, you gotta take off the hood scoop because the oil cap's like right here underneath. Which is a little irritating because I didn't really want to do that. Nor did I remember to do it in the first place. That's why I said we can go for lunch there after we get our hair cut, not before. After would be after 9 o'clock. It'd probably be 10, 11.
It doesn't take 2 hours to cut a little girl's bangs.
I think we're good. We just gotta not fuck this up.
So that means you're doing it right. Does it still even reach in there?
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, it's just don't overfill the funnel. Your favorite stupid fucking band is on too. Don't spill it.
Stop.
Isn't it nice though that they give you this huge catch tray so it drains right on top of all the hottest parts? I don't know how the thing doesn't go off every time we're watching that. 53 PSIs. Alright, you can turn it off. Now, we just gotta check the oil and we'll be pretty much set. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Got everything back together, checked the oil. It's good to go. So, as far as content goes, we're just gonna have to be kinda low on content, high on excitement. I'm just kidding, guys. If you guys go to our merch store, it's in the description below. You'll be able to grab on some merch. We still have the shitbox hoodies available, shirts of pretty much every color. Go get some merch. We got masks, we have all kind of stuff on there now. And other than that, Challenger's good to go. We got some stuff coming up next weekend with Dave and Mark, also car sponsors members. So we're going to be going into Denver and hanging out with them. We're going to be taking the shit box. Hopefully we get the headlights, and I can do those that weekend too. Should be pretty good. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Some boring ass content from Twist to Boost Media. We'll see you guys later.